Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to use Google Classroom to teach your students. How to use Google Classroom to create a classroom, to give assignments, to evaluate your students' performance. So this is the view of Google Classroom, and I have linked this Google Classroom with my Gmail account. Let's see its vertical view in my mobile screen. So this is how let's look. To install this Google Classroom app, you have to go to the Play Store. Let's see into horizontal view. Type Google Classroom, and this is how the icon of Google Classroom, green color board. So it says to update because I have already installed a Google Classroom in my cell phone. So let's go back to the after installing a Google Classroom app from the Play Store. It asks you to log in with your Gmail account to do all the procedures. So this is my Google Classroom linked with my Gmail account. So these all are the classrooms I have created, and these are the students in it. I've been using it for last semester. Okay, so let's click on the menu button. So this is the details, classrooms, archive class, classroom folders, and all the settings. Now let's see how to create a class. On the right topmost corner there's a plus sign. It says that join class. You can join some other class by using the class code. We will see later on what do we mean by class code. So let's create a class first. So it says, so check in the box, continue. So these are the details. So let's have a vertical view. So class name, section, room, and subject. So we have to fill this data. So class name, so you can give any name if you according to your subject. So let's type sample classroom. Next is section, or you can type give a division, or say section. You can type C. If there is some classroom allotted to that class, you can give 0105. Subject, whatever you are teaching. Then tap on create. So when you tap on create button, it takes a few seconds or a couple of minutes to create a class. Once it is created, it will be shown here. So this is the class you have created. You can see in menu bar that the class you have created is appearing here in the list. Sample classroom division C with all other classrooms. Classes here. This is my mobile screen view. This is the class, first class on the top. I have created sample classroom. Let's take a horizontal view. Now inside this classroom, the most important thing is how to add students. If you tap on the setting button in the right topmost corner, it gives you the details. So the title classroom name is sample classroom. If you want, you can give descriptions. Sample classroom. done. This is done. Graphics. So here the general list class code is WSC6NON. so this is the class code. You have to provide this code to the students through message, through WhatsApp, or you can write on the board from where students can copy this. And what they have to do, the students will give this code in their Google Classroom. So they have to install Google Classroom in their cell phones too. And with the help of this code, they are going to join your classroom. So let's see as few previous classrooms. So if I go into my FI Become F division, this is the classroom I have created for my F division. Let's see. Settings. Here the class code is this. I have provided this class code to my students and they have copied it into their classroom. And these are the notice assignments given by me to my students in F division. Similarly, you can see in FI Become C division. Okay, let's go back to our sample classroom. So what you have to do in this classroom, so you can provide that class code to your student to join this sample classroom division C. You can write anything, you can share. If you tap on this share with your class, you can give any message. Then you have to tap on the send button, send icon. The message is being posted. Students in this classroom will see this message. This is my streaming page. I can type anything so that every student is going to see this message. But while giving assignments, you have to go into the classroom. So there's a classroom icon here. This is the classroom. You have to upload your PDF or video in this classroom. Do not upload your assignments in PDF format or video format in streaming. Outside of this class, do not upload anything. Remember that you have to do every assignment in this classroom. So this plus button, it says that assignment question, what you want to give. Assignment, yes, okay. So let's go on the assignment. So it says that title, assignment number 1. Description, if you want to give any description, you can give. Let's take a vertical view. Points, for how many points you want to give. 25 marks. Save it. Due date, so you can give 3 days or 1 week, say on 13th April you are going to collect those assignments. Time, due time, that's optional, okay, but you can give your official time. You're going to collect your assignments in official time, say 2:30. you have to attach. You can attach from here. So new PDF I am attaching. I don't know what's in this. So I have attached a PDF file in it, and there's nothing in that assignment. And then you can send this assignment by assigning it. Tap on the assign button. That assignment will be assigned in the classroom, sample classroom for division C. So you can see that my assignment number 1 has been assigned. So okay, let's go to the E division. So if I become E division, so these are the notice and the assignment in SEM 1 I had given this. Let's see to this, and these are the students who have handed over me the solved assignments, and these are the marks also. Okay, so sample classroom division C. So it appears in the streaming screen also. You can see your assignment here also. No one had attempted it, so this is the assignment given to them. Now what student will do, they will solve that assignment on pages, make PDF and upload it back in the classroom. So these, you can see that these are the students who have uploaded their assignments outside of the classroom in streaming section, but I want it to be submitted in the classroom here. So let's see what happened with my assignment MS1 in semester 1. So you can see this, 3 students had handed in, I have assigned to them, but they have not given the assignment. And 124 students I have given mark to these students. This is the response. Let's look at this assignment. So I've given 12 marks out of 20, and this is how they are going to upload their assignments in PDF format. It takes time to upload. Yeah, it has to be neat and clean, but it's okay. You can see some other. If some students are uploading after due date, it appears done late in front of their name. So this is the name of that student, and done late submission. It's very easy to use Google Classroom and to give marks out of 20. So you can evaluate, you can look to the PDF uploaded by the students. Depending on that, evaluate their performance. Let's see one more PDF. So this is the PDF uploaded by that student. I've read each and every assignment to give this marks, 14 out of 20. And these marks will appear. The student will know that I have given 13 marks, 12 marks, 15 marks out of 20. And you can download the detail of every class marks in Excel sheet also. Now let's see how to delete some classroom. If I don't want if I don't want this sample classroom, even this mathematics engineering classroom, I have to tap on the three buttons, archive this class, and even I don't want this sample classroom, archive it. So these two classes has been gone in archived classes. So here are these my two classes. I want to delete it, so again tap on the menu button, delete. So here are the few uses and how to use Google Classroom. You can use this Google Classroom and all the data is very handy. You can transfer your data into Excel, Word. Thank you so much for watching this video.